Matt the Mortgage Guy here. Wanted to record a quick video talking about why it is so important to get pre-approved before buying a house. Now, before I get started, I ask that you please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I think the advice I have is good advice, and the more people smash the like button, the more people get to see it. If you enjoy this content, consider subscribing. Twice a week, I'm putting out similar mortgage, real estate type content that's straightforward, to the point, and honest and simple to understand. That's the kind of stuff I'm trying to do. So without further ado, the advice that I'm gonna be given, I turned 40 this week, so I think that the maturity of my advice is going to show, because I'm 40 now, you know, got a new mindset. And all jokes aside, I think that now more than ever in 2020, I've probably made renditions of this video 5 or 6 different ways to say it, but I'm saying the same thing about the importance of a pre-approval. And I love a good analogy. I talked to somebody the other day that was concerned about, well, what if it provided this and not that? Or we didn't pull credit, but I gave you this information. If you really want your car to run smooth and you want the mechanic to fix it, you can't call them on the phone and describe what's going on and hope that they're gonna fix it over the phone. You've got to let them open up the hood and get inside there and tune it up. And so with a pre-approval, it's the same. If you don't want me to pull your credit, if you don't want me to get a verification of employment from your employer, if you don't want me to look at tax returns, look at bank statements, the only person that's hurting is you as the consumer. So me and my team, we're doing hundreds of pre-approvals, and we're looking at, you know, thousands of documents. Our time, effort, energy, my $31 to pull the credit report, that's all for you, the consumer. I tell people this, the ones that I work with in California, that if they decide to not buy for 3, 6, 12 months, if they never buy, that's fine. This information is always free. And so it only helps them, you know, especially those ones that I think are thinking about buying but not sure. Going through this pre-approval process only sets you up so that when you are ready to buy, you've already got that knowledge. You've already said, well, I talked to Matt back in August of 2020, and I wasn't quite ready, and I didn't have the 3% down, but he showed me exactly what I need to put down, exactly what my payment's gonna look like at this price point. And so you can set a goal, and you can have something that you're reaching towards, and an idea of where you're trying to get. And so that's the basics of this video. When you're looking to get pre-approved, whether it's with me or with somebody else, do your part to get the lender as much as possible. Sometimes I think that people are, for whatever reason, they don't want to do that. And I don't fully understand why. I think it feels like a hassle, or it feels like, oh gosh, I got to give you this and that. That's what they're going to do when they underwrite the loan and they actually go through the loan process. You're going to have to do it eventually. You might as well do it up front, where if there's any snags, the lender can go, hey, listen, you know, this account has this showing up and it's hurting your credit because you owe $4,900 on a $5,000 limit card. If you're not going to buy for 6 or 9 months, do what you can to get that below 1,500, below 30% utilization. I bet your credit score shoots up 40 points. That information right there, 40 points in increased credit score, that might save you $60,000 in interest, because you got 3/8 lower on your interest rate when you eventually bought. So that type of information that is available to you, if you're willing to give the information you need to do a full pre-approval, is the kind of stuff you're going to get out of it. And again, zero cost to you, the consumer. So go out, find a local lender who you like and trust. I'm licensed in California. All my business is in California. If you're looking for a broker outside of California, I'm happy to refer. I got a big network of brokers that I work with that are all part of the same broker association I am. And so know them personally, know they do a good job. They align with me and my values. So my reputation's at stake when I refer somebody out, and I tell people that. So when I refer you to someone, you better believe that they're gonna take good care of you. So with that being said, best of luck to you wherever you are in your purchase journey. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. The best way nowadays to get me is just shoot an email, matt@mattthemortgageguy.com. Thanks for watching.